Hello, children. Today we try to actually learn that how a particular PDF file which you have created for submission to your teacher is sent to the Google Classroom, not to the stream, but to your classwork which has been assigned. That is, you turn in the assignment and submit it there, not to the class stream. Okay. So, in order to do so, let us start. I will start with my screen share, and I'm really doing it from the phone because I actually wanted to show you the process as you are actually going to do it, because you will create the PDF file from the phone itself, isn't it? Like in a particular video I had shown you using the Kagaz scanner, how will you create a PDF file? I have already created and stored a PDF file so that I can assign it and show to you faster. Okay. So let us start. You can see in the top first row, I have my Kagaz scanner icon. So I click on that and it opens up to show me the already scanned files which I've created. Or else you could have just start scanning it from the green button given at the end, at the top bottom right corner. Okay. But now that my file is ready, you can see at the top bar, you have the file ready with me. And now let's start. So I go to the share button. You can see that uh, slanted triangle thing, the middle button here. So I click on that and it says you want to share it as a JPEG or a PDF file. So I want to share it as a PDF file. So I click on the second option, share as PDF file. It gives me all the options I can use, whether it's for mail, for classroom or WhatsApp or going to Drive, OneDrive, all options are shown. Okay. But what I want is that I want to directly send it to my teacher to the classroom. So I click on the classroom option. Now it opens up directly to the place where I want to actually take you to. But the options to access the various other classrooms you have, or maybe you have somebody else, your brother, sister, whose ID is being used. So this is the bottom area where you can change your ID. Okay, all the IDs are shown to you here. You can select any ID for whom you want to access the classroom. And from here, you can actually access the various classrooms which you are attached to. Okay, so I'm currently in 5B EVS. So I just click on that and here I am. Okay. So now I need to attach this to my assignment. So you can see there are two options being shown to you: attached to assignment being sent by your teacher and a new post. Okay. So you go to the attached to assignment option. Fine. So I click on this. Okay. Now here all the assignments which are due and which is supposed to be, which needs submissions will be shown to you. Now here it shows me one assignment which is as assessment. Okay. So I click on this assessment option and now the file will get attached what I have actually scanned. Right now, where do I do it? That is what is the most important thing. Now, what you see here is that you can give a class comment if you want to. That's at the top. Then it shows the attachment which has the test or the whatever, the assessment or the assignment the teacher has given. So that file is being shown to you. And down below, you can see arrow mark which points towards the upward side, and it says your work assigned and all that. Okay, with an add private comment. So I just click on that arrow mark here. Fine. And because I had directly come in from there and it was taking a little time, you could see that the work has actually been assigned. You really don't have to do anything about here. The work when you come here will automatically get assigned. Okay, you can see that there's a PDF file being attached. You want to add some more attachments, that you can do. Okay, so after that it's being attached. So just two steps. Then you go to private comment, ma'am, please accept. Ma'am, I'm sending, and please accept whatever you want to write. And that's a private comment you're giving to your teacher. Okay. And then you click on that hand in option, that yes, I'm handing over my document to you. Okay. Okay, before I do that, I would like to show you the add attachment option. Again, these options are the same which you see on your laptop also. You can take a photo directly while with your phone. You can record a video and then directly attach that here. You can attach from your drive. You can attach a link to a particular file or upload the file itself. All options are there, which I've shown it to you already in my previous video, which I had sent to you. Okay, so as of now, I'm not really doing anything about it. So I just simply have attached the document and I go for hand in. It asks one attachment will be submitted for the assessment. Fine, you say hand in. It'll take a few seconds. Okay, and you can see on my screen it shows work submitted, and here it becomes now unsubmit because it has been handed over. Fine. So now when the teacher will open her classroom, she will find your name in the handed in category. That's pretty simple. I hope you'll be able to do it very easily. Okay, and this will help your teacher also to access your data comfortably. Thank you, students.